Okay, in this step we want to align our GPS system to our AR manager. For this purpose, so we click on main camera and set active true, and we don't need to have this camera and audio listener, and we only keep the GPS core in here. Okay, so let's go to the GPS core script. Okay, in here I want to add a list of objects for every position. For example, for position 1, object 1, for position 2, object 2, and to the end of the list. Okay, we say in here public game object list objects point objects, and here we say the list of objects for every points that we want to show. Alright, here we say in the target pop-up and here we said target pop-up false. We need to duplicate this line and we say point objects, exactly the same method. In here too, and also for this line as well, and also for this line too. Okay, now for every point we have a specific object to show. Load, so get back to the editor and we wait for the compiling. Okay, it's run, it's ready to use. In here we have point objects, and in the list for it, it's currently 0 size is 0, and we say 1. Okay, so the next part is we need to go to the ground plane stage in here, and in here, as you can see, we have one object, it's called cube. We duplicate it and put it as a child of cube, and we change the name of it object point, no, we can say point object 0. It is for point 0, and we say, for example, here point object 1, and here point object 2. Okay, and we say in here objects parent, and we don't need to put the collider and mesh renderer and cube mesh filter. Okay, when we click on the show model, this object's parent will be show, but when we are in the position 0, we will see only the point object 0. When we are in the position 1, only point object 1, and it is the same for point 2, point object 2. So for this result, we'll go to the list and we say, okay, for example, we have 3 points, object 0 for point 0, object 1 for point 1, and object 2 for point 2. So when we are out of the range of every point, when we click on the show model, this object's parent will be on and will be set active true. But because we are in outside of the range, so all of these objects will be hide, so we will see nothing, and it is exactly that things we need. Also, we can change our mechanism and said when we are in out of the range of every point, the show model button will be hide, and when we are inside of the range of every point, show model button will be appear. It depends to your decision. Anyway, it is ready to test and no problem in here. For example, we can do everything as we want in here, no actions and no function. I don't have any idea and comment for here, and you can put every function and every order in here. Okay, let's do this.